Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to tweak your Gnome desktop environment to make it look like macOS. So first, you need to install 3 software packages: the Gnome Tweak, the Gnome Extension Manager, and Dynamic Wallpaper. I use Fedora Linux, so for me, sudo dnf install Gnome Tweak. Under Ubuntu, I think it's called Gnome Tweaks with an S, I can't remember, but it would be the sudo apt install instead of a DNF, the different package managers. To install Gnome Extension Manager and Dynamic Wallpaper, for Fedora I used Flatpak, which is the open source repository for Linux software. So it's called Extension Manager and Dynamic Wallpaper. Under Ubuntu, it's a different, obviously, it's apt, advanced package tool, sudo apt install. I believe the software package name is called Gnome-Extension-Manager or managers. I can remember. Yeah. So you need to do your homework. Check out what this package is called and install it under your respective distros. So I already installed them, so I will not install again. So 3 guys: Tweak, Extension Manager, and Dynamic Wallpaper. After that is done, you need to download 3 zip files. You need to download the font. It's called Inter. So Inter is an open source font that imitates the font of macOS. So Inter, Big Sur Original Prime are these macOS icons, and Sonoma are macOS theme. Once you unzip these 3 guys, please pay attention. The icons have 2 child directories. You need to use the child directories, while the other 2, the fonts and the Sonoma, you can use them directly. So how do you use them? Go to your home directory. If the hidden file is not displayed, you can use Ctrl-H to display all the hidden files and folders. You need to create 3 directories if they do not yet exist: the .fonts directory, the .icons directory, and .themes directory. If they already exist, you're done. You just copy the unzipped files. Unzipped files under this .fonts, interfonts under the .fonts directory. Icons, remember, we have to copy the children of that unzipped directory. So the Big Sur Originals and Big Sur Originals Prime. For the last themes, you just copy the directory straight, Sonoma theme under the .themes directory. So once you've copied the fonts, the icons, and themes, you can now start tweaking. First, let's launch the Gnome Tweaks. Fonts, I select interregular. You do not have to pick them from the drop-down menu. You can just type in interregular, interbold for legacy window types. The scaling factor defaults to 1, but I have 1.75 because this monitor is a 4K monitor. I downgraded to the 1080p monitor so that my video won't be too big. Yeah. Once I change this back to the 4K monitor, the icons and fonts will become much smaller. Yeah, that's why I use the scaling factor. Appearance, use the Big Sur Original Prime icons. Use Sonoma user themes. Window, I toggled on this maximize, the green button, and minimize, yellow button, and I placed them on the left hand side. That's all. That's the tweaks. Now let's launch the Extension Manager. I installed a total of 5 extensions. The compass are like magic lamp effect. This magic lamp, when you maximize and minimize window, it's like a genie coming out of a magic lamp. Just install it. Nothing needs to be done. Dash to dock, you need to tweak a little bit. Here, I put the dash at the bottom. I intelligent auto hide, configure their size, and I go to the next tab. Where is dash to dock? Has multiple tabs. Yeah. Launcher, I don't think I did anything regarding this tab. Behavior, I picked a minimize or show previous when you on this click action. Appearance, I shrink to dash, yeah, because I want the dash to take up slightly less real estate. That's pretty much it. So once you configure the dash to dock, You can install this Gnome 4X UI improvements, improve the performance. Nothing needs to be done, just install it. Use the themes, just install it. Tactile is a nice little thing that I installed for coding. Yeah, you can split your screen to different pieces, and once you install Tactile, this has nothing to do with the Mac OS appearance. Yeah. You can use Super T, and then I press QS. The window will be moved to the left panel. So this is for moving your windows around to take up different real estate pieces. Yeah, that's a nice little tool. So once you have tweaked the extensions, by the way, I want to mention briefly, you do not have to install the GNOME Extension Manager. You can directly use this guy. This GNOME extensions.gnome.org, you can tweak your installed extensions just with this web application without any desktop app. But the desktop app does look more professional, right? More kind of cleaner. Yeah. So that's the tweaks and extensions. The last thing you need to do is probably the dynamic wallpaper. You can select 2 wallpapers and then use them as a pair. One is displayed during the daytime, the light one, and one is displayed during the nighttime. This is completely optional. Yeah. I'll put the download links to the fonts, the icons, and the themes below my video. So that's pretty much everything. Thank you.